Always watching, always tracking, so we can warn you first. This is your Storm Team 27 forecast.
Now those snowflakes were flying around this morning, nothing stuck. And this snow drought actually started in November. We tied for number 2 for the least amount of snow in November. December, number 3 with less than an inch of snow. Now for January to be the least amount of snow, you have to be somewhere between 2 inches and 5 inches of snow. And of course, this is all being caused by the El Nino heat wave, which started in November. We're third warmest November on record. December, number 1 at 42.5 degrees. And January, we'd have to be somewhere between 40 degrees and 33 degrees. Now, last night when the ball dropped, it was 29 degrees in Youngstown. The coldest December I could find was back in, coldest New Year's Eve that I could find was back in 1968. It was just 5 degrees. And then when the new year started in 1969, it only warmed up to 10 degrees. Well, this afternoon we're going to be around freezing. So it's not one of the coldest ones. It just feels cold because we're not used to it. We had all this warmth, and we have more cold air that's going to be headed in our direction from the west there. And we're going to see some pretty cold temperatures for lows next week. We'll get to that with the 7-day forecast. But now you're watching the lake effect snow swirling around there. More of it staying up in Lake and Ashtabula counties and Erie County as well. But we've had some light stuff, still some light stuff there in Mercer County. And our neighborhood temperatures include, well, finally, we're up to freezing in Newcastle at 32, Elwood City at 33, 32 in Calcutta, all the way up to 35 in Wellsville, 30 in Beloit, and 31 in Newton Falls. As we look at 30 degrees at the airport in Trumbull County, we see future trackers showing a break in those clouds, so we are seeing a little bit of sunshine. And again, we could have some light snow sweep through here this afternoon into First News at 5 and 6. But more of it is going to stay along the lakeshore area. You see it popping up there, and that'll continue through First News at 11. And then as we head into Saturday morning, still there's that chance of some light snow, but most of it will stay along the lakeshore, and then we'll head into the afternoon hours on Saturday. We should see some sunshine mixing in with the clouds. So this afternoon, windy with 32 our high, and those winds at times could get up to 20 miles per hour. As for tonight, 21 the low with mostly cloudy skies and a chance of flurries more likely in the snow belt. Same holds true for tomorrow with the flurries mostly in the snow belt on a breezy afternoon with a high of 31. Now we're getting into the real cold weather. After Sunday, high of 33, snow holding off until later in the afternoon, but look at Monday. High of only 27 degrees. And the low Monday into Tuesday drops down to 12 degrees. It stays dry Tuesday, Wednesday, but look at the low, 15 degrees. And then we start to warm up near 40 as we head towards the end of the week, and the lows are in the 20s.